just unboxed my Rode Wireless Go, and it's an amazing little wireless microphone setup. It's quite small. Here are the two different, there's the receiver and the transmitter. Very easy to pair up. You just have two white buttons at the bottom that you press. It takes seconds to pair up. There's nothing to do. And on the receiver, you get an LED. There we go. There's the LED there. You can see that it's working. And I'm using the microphone here, which you'd keep the same distance as a normal mic. It comes with a little dead cat, two dead cats actually, and it also comes with a little TRS to TRS cable, and you can see here I've got mine plugged into a TRS to TRS connector and into a lightning connector, and into my phone, which has been held up on a BT50 Beast grip tripod, which is excellent. What's really good about this is that you can actually use it this way, and you can hear me, I've been mucking around with it, but you can hear how this condenser mic is working. Or you can take a smart lav or one of your other microphones, and in this case it's a smart lav, which is a TRRS microphone, plugged into a TRRS to TRS connector and straight into here to see what it sounds like. Now, what's this sound like? Here am I talking now through the smart lav. You can hear me, and I wonder what you think about that. And here I am again talking into the microphone that's built into the Wireless Go. So you can do your own tests to see which is right for you. But as I said, you can put any microphone you like in here. Very, very tiny, very small. I love them to bits. I love them so much that I bought two sets, $279 each in Australia. That's Australian dollars. So I reckon they're great because they're small and they're easy to use, and with a range of 70 plus meters. The thing is with them though, they're better if they're line of sight. So if you turn your back to the receiver, it's possibly going to drop out. But in line of sight, which is what you're going to be talking to, you're going to be talking to the camera, so it will be line of sight. You can get beyond 70 meters, but they say it's 70 meters. So the Rode Wireless Go, $279 Australian. I reckon it's a good buy, so good that I bought two. See ya.